Good morning. Welcome to Citibank. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I need your help. I think I have lost my debit card.
I'm sorry to hear that. Don't worry, we'll help you secure your account.
Thank you. I'm worried someone might use my card.
I understand your concern. Let's take care of it right away. First, I'll need to verify your identity. May I see your photo ID, please?
Of course. Here's my passport.
Thank you. Could you also confirm your account number and date of birth?
Sure. Here's my account number and my date of birth is May 18th, 1995.
Thank you. Everything matches our records. I'll block your debit card immediately. Once it's blocked, no one will be able to use it.
That's a relief. Will I still be able to access my bank account?
Yes, your account will remain active. You can still visit a branch, use online banking, or withdraw money with proper identification.
That's good to know. Thank you. Can I get a replacement debit card?
Certainly, I'll submit a request for a new card today.
How long will it take to arrive?
It usually takes 5 to 7 business days. We'll send it to your registered mailing address.
Will my new card have the same PIN?
No, for security reasons, you'll receive a new PIN or you can create one after activating the card.
I understand.
Your lost card has been blocked and your replacement card request has been processed. You'll receive a text message when your new card is ready.
Thank you very much. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. If you remember where you lost your card or notice any unauthorized transactions, please contact us immediately.
I will. Thank you for your excellent service. Have a great day.
Thank you. Take care and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.